Good morning, princess. Good morning, handsome. Their morning supplement time. Let's get ready for the gym. 2-piece set from Amazon from a long time ago. Time to feed the babies. There you go. Run, done. Now to go get some caffeine and then get ready for the day.
Brats are available every day on the
Peanut butter mocha almond milk latte with marshmallow cold foam, elite order. Of course, we have my babies. Pug 1 and Pug 2, my babies. Now time to get ready for the day. Simple outfit today, some shorts, and then my book lover era shirt I got from my book club to support our local library. And it's work from home day, so you know what that means around here. No makeup, keeping it real simple. I am a perfume girly through and through, and today is the Raspberry Holiday Bar from Bath & Body Works, one of my favorite perfumes. Now time for my daily journaling and devotion while my babies chill on my lap. Now time to clock in for the day working from home.